Did you know that one substitute teacher's refusal to cheat saved an entire school district? Teresa walked into Lincoln Elementary expecting a normal day, but the crumbling walls and outdated textbooks told a different story. This inner-city school desperately needed money. Then Principal Martinez pulled her aside. He handed her an answer key for the state tests. "Everyone does it," he whispered. "Our funding depends on these scores." Teresa's heart sank. She watched other teachers reluctantly taking the keys. She saw the fear in their eyes, lose your job or compromise your values. But when she looked at her students, she knew what she had to do. These kids deserve better than fake success. Teresa secretly recorded the principal's demands and reported everything to state authorities. She knew she'd never work in this district again. 6 months later, the investigation led to major policy changes. A prestigious school offered Teresa a permanent position, impressed by her integrity. Years later, her former students sent thank you letters. They had learned the most important lesson of all: doing right always wins in the end.